Not my favorite holes to drill. Ooh, I've got some little medallions. Here working on giant robot parts. It's going pretty well. I just broke the drill bit. I have 2 broken drill bits right now, and I am gonna fix them. Let's see how that does. Put some oil on there. Alright, I haven't done this hole yet. This is a piece of metal on top of what I'm drilling through. This is to line up the holes. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that's drilling in there. Alright, I got all those holes started. I need this.
Mine's the mini coil. Look at my mini coil. I have to have a mini coil. I can make more coils.
So many bits. It's way more satisfying when you see the bits, so it'll be nice to cut with the bits. Why are you yanking on that? Stop it! Hey, back up! No! Aye!
There's a broken drill bit.
Ah, yeah. You want it? Alright.
It's a little drill bit.
Alright, let's not drop. Not break any bits going through it. Okay, those are looking good. I'm gonna have to grind all this rust off and paint all these. I got all 4 made now. Although these also need some pieces that come up here and some other stuff. But they're mostly done. Alright, what's next? I got these 4 things going. Got all the holes in them, so the bearings. Oh yeah, I gotta bolt them down to this thing. Down to the slewing bearing. Then I can put all those main gears in. Right. Alright. What do we got here? Okay, I need to make this part sticking up. This one is done, although I have to trim this edge piece. It doesn't really matter though. But yeah, this piece here, that's complete. This one just needs this piece sticking up here. I think I might actually bolt that on. I'll think about it. Alright, let's take a look at the other side. Let's get to, okay. So this piece over here, it needs a big sticky uppy there. And then this one does too. Yep. Alright, so only one of those 4 pieces is finished. The other 3 need sticky uppy parts. And then I also need to make the attachment for this on that one and that one. Okay, this first one over here is still finished. Yeah, there's no other gears attached to it. And this one only has something attaching up at the top, nothing else down here. Right.
Don't. I didn't even know what it was. No,
Stairs, go close.
well, there was a little car. Well, you never could. You don't know what it's like. Then just the little thing pops up. You said close, door ain't closed. He won't. Well, I want to say it too.
All right, I got a piece of metal clamped under there just to make sure I don't snap a drill bit. Come on, get in there. It's just good that they're tight. Not too slick. Should I have washers on top of these? I don't know. Probably doesn't really matter. Maybe I'll put them on later. Right now this is fine though. Just one stuck. Got it in. Yeah, that's actually pretty good progress considering how many days I've actually worked on this. Because this is my fun project, so it doesn't take priority over a bunch of other things. But on days like today, when it's wet outside, so I can't do any work outside, but it's sunny and it hasn't dried out yet, and so I have enough electricity to run my power tools, and I don't have any other pressing things. That's the days I can work on this. Today I'm actually kind of sick. I've been sick the last few days, but I don't know. This makes me feel better.